I know what you're thinking. Arie, it's springtime, it's almost gonna be summer, I still don't have a winning product, what should I do? And if you've had that exact question, then today's video is gonna be the perfect thing for you. Like I just said, I'm gonna be showing you 5 winning products that I found that are perfect for the spring/summer. Some of these products are kind of untapped, which means that they have huge scaling potential. Now, as you can see, I'm in an amazing mood today because of the new season of Game of Thrones. I cannot wait. By the time I upload this video, I will have already watched the first episode, which is probably gonna be insane. But anyways, enough about that. Let's get into these products. Alright guys, welcome to my computer. As you can see, we're going to be covering 5 winning products to sell this spring and summer of 2019. Now as you can see, I have a little quote here written out and it goes, "It only takes one product to change your life." Now, I'm definitely not the first person to say this, but it really is true, guys. In fact, for me, it took me really about 2 full years to find a true winning product, like a 6-figure winning product. But once I did, it really did kind of change everything for me. I learned how to scale a store. I learned what a winning product actually looked like, what kind of complications come from scaling a product big. It just really did change my life completely. So this is why I wanted to stress that, guys. I know it's really easy to get down on yourself, and if you've been testing for a while, maybe you've spent a decent amount of money and you still haven't found something promising, just keep your head up, keep testing, and I promise you that you will find it eventually, as long as you stay consistent, you keep trying, you keep learning, and you improve things that you may be doing wrong. So that's the quick intro to the video, but let's get right into these products. Alright, so the first product that I want to show you here is this lift tape, like push-up bra type of thing. Now the reason why I wanted to share this product with you is because, as you can see, it's virtually untapped. It doesn't have many orders, but judging by the dropshipping center, it's actually on the come up right now. And if you've been around in the dropshipping niche for a long time, you probably know that one of the biggest products probably ever was that strapless push-up bra for girls. I'm pretty sure like a lot of e-commerce gurus made their first and like their big money with that product, or maybe not big money, but they made a lot of sales with that product. So as soon as I saw this product, I realized that this is a perfect product to test right now, because that previous product that I said, that I just mentioned, that was a huge winner, popped off last year, but I haven't seen this particular product yet, so it's virtually untapped, but it kind of does the same thing that the previous product does, right? It's just a little bit more innovative, which is the perfect recipe for a massive winner. And like I said, you see by the chart that this product is picking up some steam, it's getting momentum, so this would be a perfect time to actually start selling this product. I think a smart way to sell this product is go and review the people that sold the strapless bra. This is the one. So it's this one right here, and as you can see, it has 24,000 orders. But go and see how other stores advertise that and use that to your advantage. Tweak it a little bit, innovate a little bit, and make it more appealing to your potential customer. A couple things that you can mention are how a lot of fashion nowadays, like some crop tops or tank tops, it's annoying to have straps there, or it's annoying to have your nipples showing or something like that. It's embarrassing. All of these things, I know it sounds kind of ridiculous, but these are things that you should mention either in your ad copy, your video, or your product description, because these are the reasons why people are going to buy it. Of course, it's because of the convenience and the problems that it solves. And of course, it is technically a push-up bra, which is a huge selling point as well. So this is the first product that I wanted to show you. It's definitely a banger, so I strongly suggest that you test it out. Now the next one I want to show you is this pure natural essential brightening spotless oil for dark spots. Now for this particular product, as always, I want you to be careful. Make sure that you talk to the supplier. Make sure that you don't put a lot of before and after stuff when it comes to your Facebook ads, because you might get your ads disapproved. And I don't want you to have to go through that. But I will say that a lot of people do sell these sort of products, so people do get away with it, so I do think that you should at least give it a try. As you can see here, by this particular trend, this product is also really on the come up. And by the way, guys, the way that you get here, so you just literally go to your AliExpress account and you click either My Orders, My AliExpress, whatever it is. You have all these options right here, and you just go to Dropshipping Center, and then it brings you to this page, and then you go to product analysis and you just type in any link of any product and it shows you how how much it's been selling recently. But anyways, as you can see, this product is actually picking up steam very heavily. So this is another product that I think is a massive winner, especially for the summertime. You could definitely say how there's going to be more spotting in the summertime from getting tan or whatever it may be. Of course, make sure that you do extra research, guys. For all of these products, I don't recommend that you just go in there and test them right away without having any prior knowledge on like how this would actually help a customer. That's very important, and I think that's one of the main reasons why most people fail, actually. They'll just put something up and not really care about who's gonna buy it or why. They just put it up there, put a lame description, and it doesn't convert. And then they ask, Arie, I'm getting 200 visitors a day but no sales. What do I do? I'm about to quit. Well, that's your issue right there. You have to improve on your marketing skills. The product is definitely the most important thing, but you have to present it correctly. And in order to do that, you have to do prior research. Literally, guys, just use Google. Use the Google search bar and type in like natural ways to fix hyperpigmentation or whatever. I don't even know what that is, but you know what I'm saying? Go the extra mile, do the extra research, and you will get above average results. That's honestly how it works. But anyways, guys, the next product that I found for you is this particular product right here. This is kind of a revolutionary product. I haven't been seeing many people testing it at all, but as you can see, it has a ton of orders, very little reviews, which means somebody's probably selling this product really quickly right now. And the reason why is because of its functionality. As you can see, it's a 2-in-1 hair dryer. So what that means is it's not only gonna save you a lot of time, but it's gonna allow you to create specific hairstyles quicker. As you can see here from this image, maybe you can't see because it's too small, but it gives you some of the benefits right here. Is reduce the bifurcations and careful care, remove static and smooth hair, multiple nourishment, deep lock water. Now, obviously, this doesn't make any sense. These translations are horrible, so please make sure that you use proper grammar in your product descriptions and stuff. But this is a great product. I really like this product a lot. It has also been picking up lately. Obviously, today, it's definitely been a slow day for it, but for the most part, it's been getting a significant amount of sales, so it is a product that I encourage you to test. It's very functional. It does solve a problem. It's innovative, and it's portable. As you can see, that's another angle that you could take. This is a very portable product. It's the size of a brush and not the size of a hair dryer, so it's very convenient if you need to travel and dry your hair or something. There's a lot of hotels or Airbnbs that don't provide you with hair dryers, for example. So that's one angle that you could take as well. Just like I mentioned with the previous products, make sure that you go above and beyond. Do the extra research that no one else is gonna be willing to do, and you will get the results that no one else is getting, okay? Trust me. Now we're gonna move on to the next product here. Now this one is one that you've probably seen a lot in the past, and I'm not even gonna lie to you, I've tested this product in the past once when I used to have an outdoor store, and it didn't work that well. But the reason why it didn't work that well is because I really didn't spend a lot of time on the video. I kind of just put a couple clips together and just thought that it would sell, because at the time I was busting out winners like nothing. We were just making quick videos, thinking of a marketing angle quickly and selling very, very quickly. But nowadays, there's a lot more competition when it comes to drop shipping, and it's not gonna work to simply do that, right? You can't just do that anymore. It doesn't work as well as it used to. People are more aware of these drop shipping stores, so they're a little bit more hesitant to buy. But the reason why I still chose this product is because you can actually find it on Amazon's movers and shakers. So this is a great way to actually see what products are trending in the United States in particular, because of course Amazon mainly sells to the US. But as you can see, if you go to the movers and shakers section, it pops up right here. As you can see, this has moved up 1,100%. It was number 528 in the sales rank, and now it's 44. So this product right here is very, very hot. And if we look at the sales chart here on the dropshipping center on AliExpress, we can see that it hasn't been, hugely successful on AliExpress, but in the US in particular, it has been picking up some steam. So this is a product that you could test US only with, and it could work very well. Just make sure that you do a single interest in your Facebook ads rather than single interest narrowed down by engaged shoppers, or you could do both. Both have worked actually very well for me, but this is actually a really cool product. I kind of even want to buy this product. And some marketing angles that you could take, of course, are that it's functional with your phone. It's very portable. Maybe if you're a hunter or you love sightseeing, this could be a perfect product for you. And these are some of the angles that you could take. Now this is probably one of the least ones that I would test out of these, but I do think that it has potential still. So you could get creative, you could do a little extra research, maybe literally go on Google and look up why are monoculars useful or something. And as you can see, they give you some keywords here: outdoors, hunting, camping. So that's this product. And now moving on to the last product, guys. Now this last product that I want to show you is also a little bit different. As you can see, it's a mirror flip case for Samsung. Now the reason why I like it, first of all, is because not a lot of people sell to Samsung, even though it is a huge market. I mean, most people have iPhones, but if you sell worldwide, most people throughout the whole world actually have Samsung phones. So this is something really interesting to try out. And what actually gave me the idea for this product is I was browsing on Facebook and I saw a video from about a month ago that had 1.4 million views, over 1,000 shares, and it's actually a video for this particular product. And it's actually kind of a really bad video. So it's definitely a product where you can come in and steal the competition's traffic. As you can see, the video is it's kind of weird. It's like very pixelated. It's not that good, but it's still doing really well because the product itself has a wow factor. It's very functional. I really actually like this product a lot. It's definitely cool, and the video is not horrible. But either way, as you can see, I found it on AliExpress, and it's a really cool video. It has a wow factor. It's relatively cheap, which is awesome, and it has a ton of orders. It's not really trending when it comes to AliExpress, but it does get a ton, it gets 3 times the amount of orders that any of the other products gets every single day. And I doubt that many drop shippers are actually testing this product. Another thing too is that their actual store is also not that good. I personally don't like this. I like their product description, but everything else in the store is just kind of spammy and I don't like. As you can see, they have a one review here. They barely even had any reviews, and they're still selling the product significantly well. Look at that title, this is just so bad in my opinion. So you can definitely come in here, do a better job than them. So this is definitely a product that I strongly advise you to test out. Now guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you got some really good product ideas after watching this. Like I said earlier, it really only takes one product to completely change your life. So keep going, keep trying, even if you don't see any success for a long time. That's kind of what makes the difference between successful people and not successful people. Successful people are always willing to go the extra mile. Just don't think that giving up is an option. And if you have that sort of mentality, I promise you that you will make it one day. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave me a like. And of course, if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're growing extremely quickly. We're almost at 50K subs. I cannot believe it. And we're only going to keep getting more and more. So I'm really excited about the future. And I hope you are too. But with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.